Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse celebrates company epic wins. Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, has expressed his delight on the company's string of remarkable victories. Ripple's chief executive officer expressed his delight at the company's most recent acquisition of Standard Custody and Trust, which included the company's licensing victories. The advertisement Ripple, together with its subsidiaries, was granted licenses in significant markets during the fourth quarter of 2018. These licenses included the Monetary Authority of Singapore granting Ripple a full license to operate as a significant payments institution, and the Central Bank of Ireland registering Ripple as a virtual asset service provider. Ripple currently possesses a BIT license in the state of New York and has obtained money transmitter licenses in almost 40 different jurisdictions around the United States. Ripple made the announcement on Tuesday that it has reached an agreement to buy Standard Custody Trust Company, which is a regulated platform for digital assets that is specifically designed for enterprise use. Ripple's commitment to regulatory compliance is strengthened by this step, which also enables the firm to broaden its existing product offerings and investigate the possibility of developing new products that are complementary to those already available. By virtue of the transaction, Ripple will be able to add the limited purpose trust, charter, and money transmitter licenses that were formerly held by Standard Custody to its expanding portfolio of regulatory licenses. Related, Ripple Vice President shares an exciting time on the XRP Ledger upcoming feature. Specifics about it: Ripple's global momentum remains unrivaled, and the company is currently providing its services to businesses all over the world. The acquisition of Standard Custody came after the acquisition of Medico, a custody solution, which took place the previous. Ripple recently made an announcement regarding the growth of its Ripple Payments product into new territories such as Africa, as well as the incorporation of custody collaborations with prestigious institutions such as HSBC, BBA, and Zodiac Custody. Additionally, Ripple has increased its focus on its core operations, which include payments and custody. The company now supports live commercial custody products in 20 regulatory jurisdictions and payments to 70 nations around the world. A significant legal victory in the Ripple litigation in 2023 constituted a pivotal step in evaluating the legal position of XRP compared to other cryptocurrencies by establishing a precedent for other tokens in the United States. This was the first victory for the sector against the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, has taken to Twitter to gloat about the company's many achievements, including the acquisition of Standard Custody and Trust Company and the company's strategic stance in the cryptocurrency industry. Garlinghouse has highlighted a number of key successes for the fintech behemoth. To this day, Ripple has been successful in obtaining nearly 40 money transmitter licenses in the United States, an MPI license from the Malaysian Securities Authority, and a vast registration with the Central Bank of Ireland counting. Ripple's victories have been brought to light by Garlinghouse's tweet, which focused on the company's dedication to complying with regulatory standards and highlighting its commitment to compliance. Ripple's strategic acquisition of Standard Custody and the milestones of regulatory compliance. The recent announcement made by Ripple regarding the acquisition of Standard Custody Trust Company demonstrates the company's commitment to complying with regulatory requirements. According to Garlinghouse, with Standard Custody, we will be able to improve existing product offerings for our customers, as well as explore new products and use cases, all in a manner that is fully compliant. As a result of Ripple's acquisition of Standard Custody and Trust Company, the company's primary focus is on expanding its product offerings and exploring new opportunities inside the cryptocurrency market. The custody capabilities of Ripple are expected to be considerably improved as a result of the company's acquisition of Standard Custody at Trust Company, which is a regulated platform for digital assets that is designed for enterprise use. Ripple's dedication to regulatory compliance is perfectly aligned with the limited purpose trust charter and money transmitter licenses that Standard Custody possesses. Ripple's existing New York BIT license, roughly bonding money transmitter licenses in the United States, and its major payment institution MP license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore are all enhanced by this transaction. Ripple's dedication to worldwide compliance is shown in the company's acquisition of Standard Custody, which adds to the company's portfolio of regulatory licenses. Regulatory agencies such as the Monetary Authority of Singapore and the Central Bank of Ireland have granted Ripple licenses, which are highlighted in the report for the fourth quarter. Ripple has also made significant progress in important markets. Ripple is well positioned to take advantage of the current market opportunities and further strengthen our crypto infrastructure solutions, says Monica Long, president of Ripple. By expanding our licenses portfolio and making smart acquisitions, Ripple has positioned itself to strengthen our crypto infrastructure solutions. Through its impressive list of accomplishments, Ripple has been able to achieve significant victories and make a strong impression in the cryptocurrency market. These accomplishments include nearly 40 money transmitter licenses in the United States, an MPI license from the Malaysian Securities Authority Authority, and VASP registration with the Central Bank of Ireland, as stated in the quarterly information report. Concerning the position of XRP, Mr. Huber's inquiry Ripple's policies surrounding the absence of a stablecoin on the XRPL ledger XPL being called into question by Mr. Huber, a major player in the XRP community, while the CEO is celebrating the victories. Ripple has not yet released its stablecoin, despite the fact that it has been a significant contributor to the expansion of XRPL. There is a possibility that this strategic decision is being influenced by Ripple's reliance on XRP as a bridge currency for cross-border. The relatively new decentralized streaming network that has everyone's attention is one of the projects that fall into this category. In point of fact, investors in cryptocurrencies such as Chainlink are purchasing DES tokens in large quantities in the aspiration of achieving the same level of success in Chainlink Link. The comparative performance of Ripple SIO and Chainlink. Ripple XRP is the initial coin offering XRP Ledger blockchain, which was introduced in 2013 and is used for payment processing. When Ripple X was first introduced to the market, the price of one XRP was 5,875 cents. Its price experienced a significant increase, reaching a high of $3.84 at one point before the year 2019. However, as a result of a lawsuit filed by the SEC, it lost its momentum. As a consequence of this, the Ripple community, along with the entire market, is eagerly anticipating Ripple's decisions about the release of a stablecoin, as well as the possible reasons for selecting XRP rather than a stablecoin. If you want to invest in any cryptocurrency token, you must be willing to embrace the possibility that you will either be dissatisfied or excited. There have been instances in which investors have experienced both. Over the course of the past few years, investors in Ripple XRP have been well-versed in the disappointment that is inherent in the investment process. As a result of the bad situation that Ripple SIKZ, they have not been able to get back on the horse and continue with the trajectory that they were previously on. As a consequence of this, investors in Ripple XRP are exploring opportunities to put their money into initiatives that are promising and have the ability to thrill them. D-Stream it.